So what do you think about science fairs?
I think they're pretty sweet, so you can express your science to other people.
Which type of cup will keep a hot drink warm longer? Plastic, styrofoam, or glass?
What was your experiment?
I blew up a balloon without using air.
And instead you used what?
A gas. And baking soda and vinegar.
I have always loved science, and so I'm just trying to instill that in the kids today. And science is something that all the children enjoy. I know that when they come into third grade, they are so excited to get their hands on things and actually do activities, and that's what gets their interest. That's what sparks them into wanting to do more.
How did it go? I mean, was it easy, and did it come out the way you thought it would, or not?
Well, the first time we were going to do 7 layers, even though I accidentally put 9 different, even though I put 2 extra different ones. We tried putting, because there was also pancake syrup in the bottom one as well, but it was too dark of a color, so I had to take that one out. And we saw that the whole milk was also mixing with the dish soap, so we took out the milk and we put it in this one.
When I send out the first informational letter, there are several websites that are listed on that sheet, and we update those every year. We go and check and make sure that they are still valid. Some of them expire. But we also have a librarian that pulls books off the shelf, and the kids can go in and peruse experiments, and she'll make copies for them to take home. They have to fill out a planning sheet to let us know what their project is going to be, and then I make a copy of that and return it so that they can make their display board and plan their experiment and actually execute the experiment at home, try it out at home first, and then come here and perform it for the judges.
So what did you learn?
Well, I learned basically that it's not just doing the experiment, but it's also just learning. But I did learn that there are the different densities of the things. Like, I memorized that since you have to start with, well, you don't start with water, but you start with honey because that has that is most dense, and you had to add the lamp oil last because it's less dense.
Okay, so test. What's the density of water?
1.00.
So tell me what are you doing here today? What's going on?
Keep a candle underwater.
Okay. And that's not possible.
Not that I know of.
But you can do it.
Yep.
So how are you doing it?
The cold water is keeping the wall of the candle stay cold so it doesn't burn down, while that is going down so it can become hollow.
I actually had several people come up to me and congratulate me and thank me for doing this, and for one comment was, so glad to see science in the elementary school. So it's alive and well here at Tampico Elementary.